Somnath Bharti, the Delhi law minister, in the eye of the storm, is back in the news when he asked a reporter if she'd been paid off by Narendra Modi when she tried to ask him a question. And though the Aam Aadmi Party has criticised those remarks and Bharti has apologised, the question remains, is Somnath Bharti proving to be an embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party?
हमारे पास दस्तावेज है ऐसे और कैलिफोर्निया की कोर्ट में आपके
सब गलत है जी, सब गलत है, सब गलत है। अरे छोड़िए ना मैडम, कितने पैसे दिए मोदी जी ने?
Delhi Law Minister Somnath Bharti's shocking remark in response to a question from a reporter. Already under pressure to act against him for his controversial midnight raid, Aam Aadmi Party was quick to distance itself and control the damage.
उन्होंने जो कहा वो ठीक नहीं कहा।
The party in fact has learned to have sought an explanation from the law minister Somnath Bharti and asked him to apologize, which he did, but insisted that his statement was misinterpreted.
नहीं, मेरे स्टेटमेंट का वो मतलब नहीं था, और अगर जिस किसी को भी स्टेटमेंट से कोई अगर हर्ट हुआ है तो मैं उनसे माफी मांगता हूँ।
However, this gave the opposition enough fodder to lash out at the Aam Aadmi Party government yet again.
I think this is a sign of his intellectual bankruptcy. The country doesn't expect anything more from him now except his resignation.
उनसे पूछिए भारती जी से किसने पैसे लिए और किसने पैसे दिए। बिना प्रमाण के इस प्रकार के आरोप नहीं लगाना चाहिए।
Somnath Bharti's controversial remark came as a war of words with the chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women intensified a day after the public confrontation between his lawyers and the DCW officials. He had failed to appear before the panel and instead sent his lawyers to explain the charges regarding his controversial midnight raid.
बरखा सिंह जी कांग्रेस की मेंबर हैं, तो पॉलिटिकल है। मैंने आज तक इतनी स्पीड तो नहीं देखी। भाई उनको तो खुद रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए था जब उनकी सरकार चली गई तो।
उनका वकील आके कल जिस तरह से उसने मेरे साथ मिसबिहेव किया है सबने देखा है, तो वो इस लायक है क्या पद पे रहने के लायक? उनको खुद को इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए। मुझसे इस्तीफा मांगने वाले कौन होते हैं?
Though the Aam Aadmi Party has backed Somnath Bharti on his raid, it has had to repeatedly apologize for the minister's shocking statements. What's clear is the fact that the minister is turning out to be quite an embarrassment for the party. In New Delhi, Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.
Joining us now to debate this, the chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women, Barkha Singh, Shobha Oza, the All India Women's Congress president, with us in the studio, and Preeti Sharma Menon, member and spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. Barkha Singh, let me come to you first. Somnath Bharti says that you should have resigned yourself after the government's term ended, essentially that you are biased towards the Congress party and therefore it was wrong of you to have called him.
No, it's absolutely wrong. Why should I resign? He should resign. उन्होंने औरतों के ऊपर गलत बात कही है, युगांडा की लेडीज से मिसबिहेव किया है, उनके साथ में गलत काम किया है, कानून को अपने हाथ में लिया है, और मुझे पूरा राइट बनता है, मैं चेयरपर्सन हूँ वुमेन कमीशन की। इफ आई समवन नॉर्मल पर्सन, सो इट्स ऑल राइट, बिकॉज ही इज अ मिनिस्टर, सो आई कैन नॉट कॉल हिम। दिस इज नॉट फैक्ट। मैंने उनको समन किया है क्योंकि युगांडा की जो लेडीज हैं।
What is wrong? I understand the importance of the minister appearing in person, but I am asking you, what is wrong if he sent his lawyer? Is there something in your rules which prohibit that?
जी, बिकॉज हमारे कमीशन में हमारी जो प्रोसीडिंग है उसमें हम लोग लॉयर्स को नहीं अलाउ करते हैं, बिकॉज वो कहीं ना कहीं एविडेंस को अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इसलिए हमारी प्रोसीडिंग में हैंडिंग प्रोसीडिंग जो है उस पर कहीं भी ये अलाउड नहीं है। इसलिए मैंने उसको कहा था कि आप किसी और को भेज देते, कोई फोन कर देते, कोई मेल कर देते, हम एक्सेप्ट कर लेते। बट this was the question. I said कि lawyers are not allowed, and he started fired on me.
Okay, so Preeti Menon replied to that. The minister Somnath Bharti was at a kite flying festival yesterday. Surely in an incident as important as this, he should have presented himself to the Delhi Commission of Women and not gone flying kites?
There are lots of things that I would like to say here, Vishnu. The first being what Ms. Barkha Singh has just said. She has already said on national television that Somnath Bharti has committed a wrong, that he has done something wrong. So this commission has already decided that a wrong has been committed. It is not an inquiry. It is a decision that has already taken place, and what is subsequent now is a witch hunt that they are going to conduct.
I'm saying that he has taken law in his hand.
Second thing, I did not interrupt the lady, so she must keep calm when I am speaking.
Okay.
The second thing is, I think everybody is entitled to send their representative if they are not available. Today, Somnath Bharti was not flying kites. He was launching the Tourism Ministry's event. That is his ministry. There was an event to which he had committed weeks ago. Everybody is in this country within their judicial rights in any inquiry to send an authorized lawyer to take their case forward or to ask for another time. The lawyer, in this case, Rishikesh, is well known to me. He is been authorized by Somnath Bharti and he went there with his full facts right. So I think this denial of a person's rights to send a lawyer is completely unacceptable.
No, it's not a question.
But the third and the most important.
It's not a question of the rights of the lawyer and lawyers not being able to represent their clients. That's all very well. I'm just asking you a question of importance. Some of the most serious allegations from the time that you came to power have come in now. That there are prostitutes, that there are drug peddlers in this area. In very controversial circumstances, the minister went and encouraged the police to conduct a raid. There has been a controversy. The Aam Aadmi Party has a belief, the police has a belief, people in the area have a belief. Given the importance of this, and the fact that your minister, your chief minister, held a massive protest in the heart of Delhi, shouldn't he at least have appeared? What was wrong with appearing? Instead, he chose a tourism event where he was flying kites. Let's face it.
It was the launch of the tourism ministry's first event. I think it is the right for him to be there when he has his ministry's events. But one more thing I'd like to point out over here, and that's the main point, Vishnu, that we should be discussing. Barkha Singh is a Congress appointee, and in the evening she is a Congress spokesperson. In the day she is a person who is a member of a committee. Now this is something that we as Aam Aadmis have been battling for the longest time. Here in Maharashtra, on 31st December, the Chief Minister made another ex-minister's daughter, who is a person who attempted a corporator election, arbitrarily he made her the Chief of the Maharashtra Women's Commission. And our party has protested against it. Right from the beginning, our party has been protesting that in sensitive places like Women's Commission, you have to have people who either have a judicial background or who have a background in working on women's issues. You cannot have political appointees in these places.
Okay, I'll come to Shobha Oza in just a moment from now, but Barkha Singh, reply to that. You are affiliated to the Congress, you're close to the Congress, you're part of the Congress, you speak for the Congress party. Why should the Aam Aadmi Party believe you are unbiased?
Because this is a constitutional post and this is a notification from LG. And this is a three-year terms, so I have to be there. I'm a chairperson.
It's a constitutional post.
Yes.
Shobha, but it is a fact that she has her affiliations to the Congress party.
No, but one cannot be ignoring the institution she is heading. She might be a secular person, Barkha might be a secular person, she might have be a part of the Congress party, but as a chairperson of the institution, she is not there to favor Congress or take up Congress issues, which she is not doing. Can we deny the fact that the law minister had raided illegally the Ugandan women, and as law minister, is he entitled to do that? Is he entitled to go there with police and should, first of all, the raid is wrong. Second, does the raid carry any women? Was the timing the correct timing to raid? And who gave him the authority to raid, first of all? Is he entitled to raid as a law minister? Has he not literally violated all the laws under this country by raiding this girls?
I understand the importance of looking at the circumstances in which this so-called raid took place.
And does he not respect the Women's Commission? The women of this country have a lot of faith and hope in this commission. And he denying and going to fly kites instead of being present at the commission shows his seriousness towards this issue, his understanding of the entire issue, and he had a chance to put his point forward, which is missed.
So